No, he's about 16, 17 inches long here.
Huh?
Up.
Get him? Yeah.
I got him. It's trout. Rainbow.
Is it really?
Yep. Rainbow trout. Good. What'd you get? What'd you get him on? Oh, good. Cool. Yeah, you got the spot. Dana caught a rock bass. There she is. She made sure she didn't get skunked. She comes in the river with one bass under her belt. Someone else's line. You might have known. Don't break your rod.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it should be in sight soon. I think it's coming up here on the left-hand side. It's almost in sight. I think I see it. Is that the guy that came in with us? Oh yeah, I mean he paddled past us. Yeah. That's it right here to our left. Yeah. It's definitely overgrown a little bit. You can see the clear water. See the clear water pushing out the soot on the top? See the pollen on top of the water? It's all clear where it comes in. Yeah. It's right here. It's in sight. I'm looking at the concrete now. Oh, that's all fish jumped over there. Yeah, here it is. Ooh, well, that dust come from? So that. It's probably going to be where I want it to be once it settles. Hung. Yeah. I just saw a 20-inch smallmouth go for this thing. Right here, right below me. He went for it. He went for it again. They're in here. I thought that thing was huge. Got a couple. Yeah. I saw one, the biggest one I've ever seen up here just a moment ago. Really? Smallmouth, yep. He went for it. He hit it, but I didn't hook him. No, it's not me.
Something bust right in front of this. Probably was that.
Yeah, he was right in here when I saw him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know trout. You get them.
There's some trout down here. We caught a bunch of holdover brook trout from up in Wasena that washed down here last year.
Yeah.
This time here we caught a bunch of them.
I caught a trout in James last week.
Wow.
At Arcadia.
Wow.
So that, I mean, that's where Jennings Creek comes in.
There he is
Makes
again,
sense,
right there.
But,
I'm not sure. Maybe a trout.
mm-hmm.
Maybe a trout. Come on.
Yeah, there's a little rainbow.
No, he's
Yeah,
about
I mean-
17 inches long here.
Huh?
Oh,
Get him? Nice.
I got him. It's trout. Rainbow.
Is it really?
Yep. Rainbow trout. at this thing. Look at the size of him. He's huge.
Holding that up?
Huh?
I can't see him. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
I'll tell you here in a minute. I saw him. He went for it a couple times, and then he dropped. So, whew. Whew. He's got a little extra energy. He's 15 inches. He's nice. Huh? A stock. Oh yeah, he's definitely a stalker. I'm reviving here a minute, so you can catch him, Rankin. You're not keeping him, are you? You want him?
I'd eat him.
Because I mean, I always catch and release. If you want him, you can have him.
I mean, I'll eat him. My little girls love him.
Oh, come on over here.
All right.
I had to let that Ned rig completely sit still on the bottom before he would take it. I had a hit again, another hit. I'm getting hits. I had another hit just now, right there. I think they're doing like that trout was doing. They was just playing with it. They're not committing. He's up there playing. Got one. That's a brook. I can get him over here. Stock brook. Ned rig also. All right, buddy. Hold on. You're fighting to the nth degree. No. Oh. He had the Ned rig, but didn't. Was that a Ned rig? He must have had the Ned rig and didn't have the hook. Yeah. He bent that rod over though. Yeah. Well, they're definitely here. They're hitting it funny, but they're here. You got him. There you go. You get your brook, don't you? Yeah. We didn't know we're coming for trout fishing. Oh yeah.
They like this water right here. You can take him home for dinner.
Just hand it to you.
Well, you can just hold him right up right there. There you go. Measure him there. And you can put him in the base of the boat.
Oh, I'd have to put this over here.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's 16. Yeah, buddy.
You need to tie something on that.
I know. I meant to just move that around.
He slimed. I'll tell you. He slimed it. I don't know if I'll ever get that. I got slime everywhere.
This is so
Oh.
funny. So I got a brook and a rainbow, and you got a brook and rainbow. So
Oh,
we're
that was
even. We're even right now on the
That
trout.
was a huge one.
Yeah, the one I had is about the same size as that one. The one I gave that guy. But
Man, what would a 20 inches feel like?
oh man, he fought hard, don't he? He's hard. Hey, fly rod.
All right.
I don't know yet. I don't think it's very big. Hey, it's a brook trout. Nan just has to get excited. Brook trout on a fly rod. Imagine that.
Imagine that. That rod ain't never seen a brook trout.
I know. Exactly what I was thinking. He's 12-incher. Yep, he's 12-incher. I'll let him go.
We caught 5 trout.
Yes, between us.
Let's see. 12, 15, and 16.
Yep.
How much is that? That's 10 and 31.
I just caught this 12.
Plus 12.
Both my brooks were 12s.
43 inches plus your 2 others.
Yeah.
That's a stock trout. What?
You want to know how it got so big?
Has it been in a hatchery?
Hatchery for many years.
That's what they call a breeder
Oh,
trout.
man. That was a good
They
hit.
used to get the eggs out of, so they got fish for future generations. What kind of liquid, man? Hurry up. Mike, I'm on this side.
You got your dig rig, rig, Dana? It causes his outlet. It's got so much more oxygenation. Yeah. What is that you got? Oh, a little paddle tail. Yeah. You're hitting it. I got him. Smallmouth, my first smallmouth. Ah, got off right at the end. Got a smallmouth. Alright, let's see what we got here. Smallmouth starting to hit. Yep, got him. Woo! He ain't big, but he's fun. Ten and a half. Brook. Little Brook. All right. All right. Got a bluegill. Bluegill. Yep, on a Ned rig. All right. Little bluegill. Yes. It hits. Come on. Kind of like bluegill. Bluegill hits. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, let's see what we got. Smallmouth.
right against that bank. He's little, real little. I'll take him little or small, little or big. I know. We're on our way back. There you go, Dana. Look at that. Little smallmouth.
Oh, no. We saw that coming up. I said, what in the world is oranges he's got? Oh, yeah.
What's that? I had a couple smallmouths, small ones, 10-inch or so. Nothing big.
I thought you had a yeah. He got a bluegill.
Yeah, bluegill and 2 smallmouth. The smallmouths were real little.
I thought you had one.
Huh? Yeah, I had 2. Yeah. You did?
Nice.
To the lake. I think I'm. Nope, I got something. Nope, Ned rig. Where's my net? Where's my net? It's a nice size. Woo! Oh yeah. That's the best smallmouth I've caught in a while. There you go. Yeah. I'll tell you here in just a second. He's 14. $14 inches. What do you think? He's not bad, isn't he? There you go, Remington. No. Huh? Well, yeah. Yeah, what is that, about 15 bucks?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
I'm very, very careful about where I throw it at.
Yeah.
I see it there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it floats on top of the water, and you make a lot of action with it.
Uh-huh.
Got noise and all types of stuff. You almost caught my rod. Alright, gotta get a single foul up here. Don't get too close while those rods are sticking down. Okay. Oh, that's a new. What's that? A fill free?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.